What's up, everybody? Look at my baby over there cooking. She thinks she's doing something. Oh, shoot. Baby, what you cooking?
Huh?
What you cooking?
Candy yams, mac and cheese, and fried chicken and baked chicken.
What? I'm so tired.
You said what?
Hey, it's 4:32.
Is what?
4:32.
Jay over there just leaking.
Come here, Jay.
Jay! Come here.
Don't let me, boy.
What? Bring your stinking self here. I think it's time to take that chicken out now.
Yeah.
It's been in a
Come on, Pop. You can't eat your hair big then, huh? Come here.
You said what?
Talking to Jay. Come here. Come here, buddy. Look. Say hey.
You said hey?
You see you? Huh? Mommy. Don't mess with that. He is mean. Yeah, that's being the devil. You gotta get a cross put on your forehead. Mommy. Now where it goes to? Jay, he is messing at him. Baby. Mommy. Baby.
That thing's still cooking. It's on the opposite side.
You keep throwing it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it over there. Go ahead.
I'm like, you cut this for me?
What?
No, I got it. I got the soup. Never mind. I got the soup. I'm going to cook the You're great.
But